Again.
Nice Hallie cornbread.
Jordan.
Raise Hallie cornbread. Happy birthday to me. It's my birthday. Back. I'm on helium.
Say sorry. Say sorry. Don't cuss.
Oh my god.
We went camping this weekend and froze.
I got a lot of messages. A lot of them. You're weird. Get off Google Plus. No one uses that shit. They call me Dirty Dan.
I'm the real Dirty Dan.
I like the real helium and I can't get it.
Okay, now you can hang this up on your wall. Or keep it.
I just took all the helium and I sucked it out. This is what high feels like.
I've now been high for the rest of my life.